awesome boost. Holy balls. Can I say balls? It looks like it. Huh? It looks like it. It's like it's all patchy. Huh? It's patchy.
It's patchy?
Yeah.
You think we'll make it up there?
Yeah, I think you'll make it. Just don't go too far. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good. Oh, the joy. Sorry guys, I probably sound like a broken record and a dork, but in person, this is way cool. Dude, it sounds so good.
Yeah, not bad. It actually runs pretty good.
It sounds really good.
I'm like quarter throttle only, but I can't just boost it. It doesn't really work.
Is the air fuel fine?
Yeah, I mean,
like, could you get on it more?
On that base map, I have it set up to where it's bitching under boost.
So could you get on it more?
Yeah, it's a little bit. I'll do like a slow roll in a second and see where it's at.
Okay.
Probably go that way this way. Right?
Okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It sounds so good.
Sound good?
Dude, it sounds so good.
Hey, you want to drive it?
A little bit.
I'm only like half throttle on it.
Okay.
What's that? I'm only taking to like 4K.
I'm not gonna get on it. Our headlight fell off. Like it? Put it back. Put it back. Sounds like I broke something.
You should have gimbal. back there? Yeah. Hey, you should check what's in that black bag. Remember that weird cutout sitting there last night? I don't want to touch it. Could be a dead body. No, thank you. Okay.
How's it looking?
Huh?
How's it doing?
It says it's only hitting like barely a pound of boost.
Because we have no injector?
And it's definitely a little rich up top.
We got a flame on that one. It shot a flame on that one.
Did I?
Yeah.
Want to do another one?
Yeah, hang on. Good, how are you doing? It's getting there. Remember I told you guys last video that I was just crazy busier than I've ever been. Well, this is what I've done in the last 4 days. This next one, if you're curious what the puzzle pieces are for, it's for autism awareness, and it turned out pretty sweet. Okay, so we put a 7-pound spring in the wastegate, and Dennis he hooked up the wideband to the ECU, And I don't know what else he did, but oh, we put a stiffer spring in the blow-off valve too because it was staying wide open at idle, which it's supposed to kind of, but we switched that out. It's still staying open at idle, but bigger wastegate spring. That's basically what you missed. That was some boost. Holy balls. Can I say balls? That had some boost.
5 pounds.
That was 5?
Yeah.
Nice.
Duty cycle, that was like 85%, so it's like, I think
It's kind of what we're at.
With the stock injector.
How'd it feel?
Yeah, it's a little laggy. I still got to figure out like the ignition for like the lower end.
That's it.
It's like a weird dip somewhere.
Sounded a lot better. Sounds like you need more room.
Huh?
Sounds like you need more room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's running pretty good.
It sounds like it.
Yeah, so I need a little more fuel.
Goodness gracious. We need more room. We have no moss room.
The injectors can't keep up.
We're out of injector?
Yeah, we're out of injectors. Can't keep up.
Okay.
I keep trying to add more fuel and it's still leading out on top
Okay.
a little bit, so we're done here.
Okay.
These are injectors. Let's clean up everything. This thing rattles so bad.
Yeah.
I can't hear anything, but it's like, ah!
Right.
There's stuff falling over there, and
Yeah.
the laptop's just shooting all over the place.
Yeah.
So, alright.
Okay.
Everything's so good though.
Does it?
Like, we're like, does it look fast?
Yeah.
Or decent?
Does it feel fast?
Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah, it feels faster than Cody's already. Around 5 pounds.
Poppy.
Yeah. There's boost in that one.
Yeah, it was.
Still 5 pounds.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay,
Hold it.
cool. Well done. High fives. Yeah, it
here
sounded,
shows you, right here. So, blow it up a little bit. Yeah, we're at 89%, 93.
Okay.
And that's where it started leaning out because it was can't dump enough fuel in.
Okay. Well, I'll get those. I texted Jamie last night, so I'll go get those injectors in the next day or so.
Okay.
It sounded a lot faster. Like it was actually getting in the boost. Cool.
Yeah.
I have it facing backwards.
Alright. Hi.
Okay, so that was super successful. So we put a 7.5 pound spring, and it was making like 5.7 pounds. So that's pretty good. So we need to get heat resistant. This is literally sprinkler line, so we need to switch that out because it gets pretty warm back there. This we still need to change because it's got a little joint there. I'm gonna go pick up 1000cc PFI injectors from PFI this week. Probably, let's see, tomorrow's gonna suck. Yeah, so I'll probably go tomorrow. And then the gooseneck is on order. The gimbal showed up, if any of you care. This was $100 on eBay, and a couple shots towards the end of this video were shot with it when the bug was rolling, but I didn't really get a chance to really see what it can do, but pretty cool. A lot steadier than just me holding it by hand, so pretty neat. Okay, so it made 5.5 pounds pretty much. Dennis said it felt pretty good. We just drove that red MR2 that you saw in the video. We just drove, or Dennis just drove that recently. That's our friend's, and he said this on 5 pounds already feels faster than that red one. And that red one's stock turbo, stock Toyota motor, but it's on 16 pounds, and he said this already feels faster. So moving in the right direction. We're gonna start doing some real light body cleanup. Is a better, I don't want to say body work, but we're gonna do some body cleanup. Try and get the body mounted perhaps. Do some more structure. We're basically out of road here to tune. Like once we have the 1000 cc's, we're basically out of road. Next video, we're just basically gonna get ready for the dyno. We're gonna clean a lot up. There's still AC lines and heater core lines. So we're gonna clean all that up and just get it ready for PFI. Yes, I loved making the intro to this video. That brought me so much joy. So, thank you haters for the motivation. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next Wednesday, and we're getting ridiculously close. See you later.